In this video, I will show you how to check iPhone battery cycle count. With the iPhone battery cycle count, you can know how many times your device battery has been charged and depleted. So let's get started. Click on the settings button and scroll to the section where the battery is displayed. Click on the battery. Click on the battery health. And here you will see the cycle count as 3. So this is how you can check the iPhone battery cycle count on your iPhone. This option is easily available on the iPhone 15 and above models. If you would like to check the iPhone battery cycle count on iPhone 14 and below models, then you might need to install some third-party applications. If you find the video helpful, please like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.